So hey friend, what is up everybody? Welcome back to this channel everyone. So today we have this zoook M2. So I'm disassembling it. It doesn't mean that it doesn't work. It works finely, but I want to disassemble it. So let's get the tool. 1, 2. So here is the tool. So let's unscrew the screw.
So I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip as pulled you into me. When I let you go.
So this is the speaker. So there's no speaker at another end. So let's just take out the plug that connects the battery. So this is the clip. So this is the speaker. So let's take out the screws.
Before I see you again, before it all makes sense.
So hey friends, the grill come out like this. So this is the onboard amplifier, means the amplifier is built on the board, and this is the volume rocker, this is the USB in, this is the power input, and this is the on-off switch. So let's connect to the battery. So this is the battery. This has the approx power of 3000 milliamp hour.
Loosening my grip as pulled you into me.
Has been connected. Let's on. Yes,
Zook rocker
it's
is
working.
ready to pair.
So let's play some songs.
The wireless device has connected successfully.
So see. Oh, I don't think that you can see some vibration. So this was the speaker, this was inside the speaker, this is the connector, this is battery here. So this is just a PVC pipe. You can see there's only a zoook branding here, nothing more than that. So that was the speaker, that was the inside of the speaker. So let's reassemble it and then see how does it works. So this was the sound when it is all open.
Gotcha.
So hey friend, this was the disassembling. So let's start. Yeah, it works
Your
fine.
zoook rocker is ready to pair.
So let's
The
see.
wireless device has connected successfully.
So yeah, it works fine. So hey friends, if you like this video, please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and do subscribe the channel, do comment and let me know how was the video, how did you like the video, and please subscribe the channel. And as always, bye bye and keep learning and keep watching. I will be there with you in the next video with another topic. Bye bye.